Short A sound in words ending in N. After reading words, simple phrases, and simple sentences with short A sound in words ending in T, we are now about to read simple words, phrases, and sentences with short A sound in words ending in N. Ready? Let's start. K, a, n, can, can. D, a, n, dan, it's dan. F, a, n, fan, fan. A, n, man, man. P, a, n, pan, pan. R, a, n, ran, ran. T, a, n, tan, tan. V, a, n, van, van. Y, a, n, yan, yan. Now, time to read phrases. Ready? Fat man, fat man. It's a fat man. Man in the van. Man in the van. Can and pan. Can and pan. Dan and yan. Dan and yan. Man ran. Man ran. And lastly, let's read sentences. The fan is for Yan. The fan is for Yan. The man is in the van. The man is in the van. The can is on the pan. The can is on the pan. Dan and Yan ran. Dan and Yan ran. Good job, kids! You're now ready for your book activities. Bye! God bless everyone! Stay safe!